Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a box here all the way from Italy. It's from a company called Venezianico. Neurides. One of them is a GMT, and then the other one is a Tungsteno. It's supposed to be higher scratch resistant than even ceramic. So yeah, we're gonna do a little unboxing here and see what these of the Venezianicos, and so we will get to it. Because they make it where you can't see. It actually goes this way. So this is their box on how it looks. The boxes are pretty tight, so they don't just come out. I'll unwrap this. I'll actually put it on my wrist too. So on the release on the back of this, yeah, it's got the push button right here. You just push them both in, and then it releases both. Now, the thing with this watch, though, is I do know you have to put one down at a time. I mean, you can't just put them both down. You have to put this one down first, and then this one lays over the top. So that's going to be the only thing to get used to on this watch. I misspoke earlier. Okay, about ready to take the wrapping off. If I can get it. Well, I'll get it here in a minute. There we go. Let me get it out of here so the light's not shining on it too much. That bezel's really nice. The dial's nice too. Let me get in some different light here. I have one of my lights up above that wants to shine on it. Throws off the color. So yeah, that's the Tungsteno one. There's that. So Venezianico does have a lot of different colors to choose from. They have some different bezels as well. This bezel is kind of a chrome mirrory. It's a polished bezel. And this kind of has a polished mirror to it at certain angles, as you can see, as you move it around. So anyway, that is what they look like. Yeah, very happy with these watches though. They will work out well, but at least we can also see what it looks like next to a Breitling as well. So Anyway,
right,
well, thanks for watching.
Forgot
that's all I
gotta
had
do
for
a
now.
little wrist check here.
Until
Show
next
you guys
time.
what it looks like mounted to the wrist. You can actually tell what it is, or at least where your time needs to be set. So it has all of that back there as well. The bracelets, I'm gonna have to get the plastic off of those, but that's all I had.